Who am I? I'm an early bird who loves to see the sunrise. Look. John Doe asked me, why don't you do a Q&A and tell us about you, and if you do your whole editing by yourself, and things like that. So I did a research, and more than 80% of you guys said yes, please do it. So I'm doing it. So let's start it. Stay tuned. My name is Christine Stackler, and I was born and raised in this beautiful country, this beautiful state called Rio de Janeiro. When I was 15, I went to Indiana, Chesapeake, Indiana, to do an international exchange student. It was fabulous. I didn't know anything about English. I knew 3 words: yes, baby, and no. That was it. So I had to learn everything. And then I went to high school. It was fabulous. I loved the experience. And there is where I fell in love with photography. I really love photography. And when I was 18, I went to New York. Oh, I love New York. I really love New York. And study photography. But since I had a job here, back here in Brazil, in a very big company called Block Editores, and they had 15 magazines. One of them, National Geographic. And my dream was to work for National Geographic. So I worked there for 3 years. It was magical. I learned so much. It was very fantastic. But then, I don't know, I felt like traveling, and I sold my car, bought a ticket to Australia. Yes, I spent 5 months riding a bike around the Gold Coast. I literally bikepacking in Australia. Yes, I had a big backpack with 15 cotton shirts. Yes, I know. I was 23 years old. I'm sorry. I learned a lot from them, because now I travel only with like 2 shirts and that's it. Because no need, you gotta wash it. But at the time, you know what I thought? I thought that if I take 15 shirts, I only have to clean, put it in the wash machine twice in a month, But I didn't think of that I had to carry all that, That's how you learn. It was a marvelous trip. I love Australia. I hope I can go back. But this time with my darling Brompton, because it would be perfect for Australia. It's so good. Back from Australia, I start swimming a lot in Brazil and start competing. And yes, I did win a lot of trophies and medals and records. It was so cool. And then I start surfing. Yes, it's a shame, I know. I should be surfing before I went to Australia so I could surf in Australia, but that's life. Maybe next time. And I love to surf because I travel a lot to a lot of places. I had sponsors. It was so good. It was very, very good. I went to Peru, and I was the first woman to surf the biggest wave in Peru. It calls Pico Alto. Oh, it was so good. It's unforgettable. Thank you guys, Lifer, Flavia, my dear family. Here, it's where I learned to surf. Yes, I used to live there and used to swim over here and surf there. Thank you. Yes, I do smile a lot, and I do have a nickname called Sunshine Smile. It's pretty good. Sometimes I have to pay attention because like I'm playing tennis and I'm too happy and my partner say, Chris, come on, pay attention. So, I'm a photographer and I'm just starting to learn how to do videos. Yes, it's very hard for me. It's hard, the audio, it's hard, you know, putting everything together. And yes, I do all by myself. What that means is I create it, I do like a timeline in my head, then I film it, then I edit and publish it, and whoa, it's neat. It's a lot of work, but I'm having a lot of fun because I learned so much with you guys, and it's so nice to have a place to share the things that I learned, because I think learning is something that I have to move on, you know, pass on, because it's so cool. Buy another Brompton? Well, my dream Brompton is this one. Yes, it's like a titanium Brompton with the roll off, because then you have 14 years, and with the S bar. Yes, I come from a road bike, so I like the S bar. And in fuchsia. Okay, great rides with the bike. In Hawaii, I went down to a volcano. Yes, that was cool. In Germany, I went up to a castle. It was so hard because I get lost in the middle of the ride. So I had to go up to 2 different mountains to get the castle. It's a very nice castle. It's 600 years old, belonging to the same family. Is that good? Camino de Santiago, 870 kilometers. It's very nice. Oh, by the way, Australia, 2,700 kilometers. That was odd. What I did was I bought a bus ticket, put my bike inside for the long distance, and then went riding in the city. So imagine with the Brompton. Australia will be perfect with the Brompton. Oh, I hope I'll go there. Yes, I love to surf, but I love to ride. And I love to ride my bicycles. Which one do I like most? Hard to tell. With the Brompton, you can do a lot of things, because you can ride and also get a metro, a subway, a taxi, an Uber. You know, it's more to it, and it goes fast, and it's easy to go around, it's easy to pedal, so she does have a special place in my heart. Well, my Brompton, why did I buy a Brompton? I was in a beautiful boat bike ride in Holland with my family, and there was this couple, a very nice couple, and the woman in the couple has a Brompton. Actually, she has a small bike that I didn't understand how it works, and it gets so small, and I couldn't understand why somebody would ride in such a small bike. And he told me that to carry his bike, his kid's bike, and the woman's bike, his wife's bike, the only bike that would do this, would be able to do all this, would be the Brompton. I said, wow, that's neat, let me try it. So they let me try it, and I thought it was so cool. So I started researching, And talking to Nina and Wilson, Wilson said, oh yes, I want to buy a Brompton. I said, yeah? I did a lot of research and found out that in São Paulo they sell Bromptons. So what did I do? Hello, do you have a Brompton for me? But the only Brompton they had was 6 gears, was the blue one. I thought, okay, blue is nice, blue is cute, and doesn't catch much attention. My mistake. Bromptons always catch attention. So I bought a brand new Brompton from Ciclo Urbano in São Paulo and went to New York. Yes, yes, I went to the 5 borough New York, and it's marvelous. Every day I love it. Yes, I try to see the best in people. I try to see the best in every situation, and I think life is beautiful, you know. We have to enjoy it. That's always a good thing to learn, even in bad moments, you know. That's my Q&A. Just some questions that I received. If you want to know some more, when we get to 3,000 subscribers, we'll do another one. If you like it, thumbs up. And if you didn't subscribe yet, please do be part of us. And for you to be notified for the videos, you know, I never have the right day to publish them. This one, the little bell. See ya, bye bye.